YouTubes! Okay, Haunt fam, you guys heard of the Distortions Legendary Dragons? Well, we got one, and today we're going to unbox this bad boy. Let's do it! Okay, YouTubes, so this big old box came from FedEx. Had a big old tear ripped down the center. I don't know how the hell that got there, but evidently they weren't too kind to it. So I hope you guys have been watching and seeing what the Distortions previews have been. They put them on their channel on YouTube, which I will link below for Distortions. When I saw these guys, I thought, man, there's no way in hell I'm be able to get one. Like, it's going to be $1,000 prop. It's freaking huge. It's beautiful. I own no Distortions prop. This will be my very first one, so it's like having your first car be a Ferrari. Alright, that's cut. Alright, try and be careful so I don't cut anything. Alright, big box is coming open. Sorry, Mortimer, your lantern's on the way. Alright. Wow, that is a big box. Alright. Okay, so we got our little fog machine, which is pretty cool. It actually comes with the fog machine. So, you can't beat that at all. How great is that when you get a prop and it already has the fog machine, you ain't got to think about it. That's pretty awesome. Alright. So he is in there. And what else do we have here? Oh, we got some paperwork. Dragon Legend. Remove the Dragon Legend, fog machine, and bracket with bolts from the box. Okay, 2x4 stud. We'll get to that later. Not important right now. Okay. Oh man, he's huge. Okay, so let me see if I can fish this bracket out. Or is he part of it? Okay. Check this out. Now that is a bracket. So this sits inside our dragon. This will bolt up on the wall. And our dragon will hang from this. So that's awesome. Medieval steel, folks, just like Ed said. That's pretty badass. Now, let's set this guy aside for now. And let's get into this big boy. Oh, man. You guys should see this. Oh, my God. Holy crap. Get the bag off. Wow. What a freaking monster. I'm sure you guys are thinking, what'd you go with, Cobwebs? What color? Now, I'm sure everybody thought I'd go with the chromatic dragon color. Longtime D&D player, so, you know, you're red, you're black, you're blue, you're white. Not for me. Oh, and here's the fog juice. Look at that. Special fog juice that doesn't linger. So we'll fire that up when we get to the fog machine part. That's awesome. Alright, folks. Here it is. Oh, look at that bad boy. Oh, my God. Look at that monster. Woo! Look at that. Holy crap, is he huge. Look at them glossy eyes, man. How freaking awesome is that? Look at that work, guys. That is just freaking crazy, man. I mean, the freaking weight of this thing, it must be, I don't know, 15 pounds of latex. We got anything else in here? Got our destructions, got nuts and bolts. Alright. Oh, man. Look at that. I mean, that is just a freaking monster if I've ever seen one. Holy Christ. I thought the orange was so cool. All the colors are beautiful. The black, the red, the green really look good. I love that the teeth are already caramelized and nasty looking. I mean, beautiful paint. You know, it's amazing. I don't have anything Distortions. I don't know why. It's nothing against Ed. It's just that, you know, I'm more than happy to have this one be my first one. But man, look at this guy. He's huge, man. He looks like a freaking dinosaur. So he's foam-filled latex. Look at the hollow in there. So our fog will sit in there and blow fog right out of the mouth. So that's pretty cool. Woo! Alright. So, I'm going to have to pick a stud. Maybe we'll put this guy on a wooden backer later to keep the latex from folding around. Maybe it'll relax once it's on the wall. We'll see. But man, guys, look up front, man. I mean, just look at the freaking... Look at the mouth on this guy. Look at the beautiful yellowy, gnarly teeth. Oh man, the mouth is wet. Just beautiful. So, we got to get us a mounting spot. Let's do that next. Alright, let's put this big boy down. Man, look at that guy. Oh my God. How tall is that thing? I gotta know. Man, that's like 27.5 inches sticking out of the wall. So let's pick a space And we're going to get working on that next. Alright guys, we're going to stick them up here next to the creature and the monster magnet board. Let's make some room. Okay guys, here's my stud. We got our bracket. I'm going to throw one screw in just to get this guy held up here. I don't know how high I should go, but we'll figure it out. So I'm going to throw one in here. Alright, and then I'll adjust if I have to. Alright, let me throw the rest in, and we'll hang our fog machine next. Okay YouTube, so I've got our bracket secured to the wall. We're in the studs on the one side. I did go ahead and take the supplied fog juice, and I filled up the little fog machine they give us. We've got our RV remote control adapter in the back, plugged in the back. We've got our power cord plugged in the back. We're good to go. We've simply got to bolt this up here. I didn't find a bolt in the Dragon box anywhere. Maybe it flew out of that big ass tear that was in the box, but I've got a nice thick 5/16 bolt. I'm going to weld this nut to the underside of the bracket one day, but for now it should be nice and sturdy and heavy. So we've got a single hole in the top of our fog machine right there. So we're going to go ahead and slide this guy over. Now there's two holes for two positions. I don't know which one we're supposed to use, so I'll play it safe and I'll go to the front one. Okay, so we're going to get our bolt on there. And that way I'll know when I can weld this thing, if it's going to be in the front position or the back position. Okay, so we're finger tight. Now we got to keep our fog machine level. Then we got to just tighten our sides. So I think that's about level. Okay, we should be able to see a red light in there. Let's go ahead and plug some power in this thing. I ran an extension cord over since I don't have a plug near this stud. And I think we should be able to go ahead and turn on power, lights on. Let's let this thing warm up. I'll slide the Dragon head over and we'll see what the little magic remote control does. Comes with a little antenna, cool. Some little James Bond stuff, pretty cool, huh? All right. Okay guys, he's up there, man. Our little red indicator light is on. He looks just like freaking Droopy, man. Remember Droopy? Slay, slay, slay. How freaking cool is he? So we've got our little remote here. It kind of slides down. And we're going to hit the little unlock button. Oh, here he goes. Wow, that's fast. Man, look at the lights change. Holy Christ. That is awesome. It's going to go for about 20 seconds, and then it's going to shut down. If you want it to stop, you can hit the lock button and lock it out. I think we're a little high, so I'm going to kill it, and I'm going to aim the box down a little bit. Okay, guys, I've brought the lights down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and hit the unlock button, if you can see that, on a little remote. And man, there he goes. You can do blue lights. You can mix the colors. And you just, again, you're just touching the colors on a little remote. Green, blue, pinkish color, red. Man, he just fires off for 20 seconds. How freaking amazing is that? That is so cool. Then I'll kill it. Man, how awesome. He looks great. To get the fog machine lined up, I moved it to the second, it's on the rearmost setting on the bracket. So that sets the fog machine back a little bit and the lights a little bit more, so you can kind of angle the fog machine to go right towards the center of the mouse. So let's hit him again. Okay, YouTubes, let's see if we can get this guy in total darkness and see what he looks like. Wow, check him out, man. I'm going to play with the colors. Little color remote control. See how his head kind of lights up on the side? That looks awesome. You get 20-second bursts of fog. Then he'll cool off for a couple of minutes and he'll burst again. Pretty awesome. Man, and I got to hand it to you. You guys murdered it with this one. Woo! It's filling up in here with fog. Let me go ahead and kill it by hitting the lock button. Okay, YouTubes, that is my Distortions Orange Dragon man, it's pretty awesome. I mean, the whole lights and the fog effect, like I said, you get the 2 remotes. You can do your own lighting and play with the cycles and change the lights to just about any color you want, which is great. And then you get your second remote with your little lock button, and you can kill it like a little kill switch button. And I think you got to be within 15 feet, I think Ed said. It didn't say in the instructions that I saw. And I know with the fog machine, you guys are thinking, okay, well, how do I clean this thing, Cobwebs? It says once a month in the directions. Once a month, you pull the tank out, you add 20% distilled water, 80% vinegar, and you run it through for half an hour. 10 minutes to half an hour. So that way your machine's clean, it won't get clogged up. Overall, I love it, man. The detail's great. I'm proud this is my first Distortions prop, and what a big one to start with. I'm glad they went orange and pulled it off the wall kind of color like that. I think it's beautiful. The paint's beautiful. Just like all of the Distortion stuff you see when Ed's painting stuff or you watch it on YouTube, it's just as beautiful in person as it is what you see on YouTube. The only drawback I don't like about it is the latex, but it's foam filled, so I can easily put a board behind that and make it more sturdier mounting, which I'm more than happy to do. I really have no other knock against it other than that. I mean, it's beautiful. It's a big prop. I almost want another one in a different color. And if you guys make a different sculpt, I'm going to get another one. I mean, this thing is going to look great in a dungeon, over a fireplace, in any dragon theme haunt or medieval haunt, or if you're a D&D player. Man, this sucker's beautiful, man. I mean, he is just gorgeous. So I'm thrilled, man. I'm happy this is my first Distortions prop, and what a banger to start out with. So if you guys get a chance, go check out my brothers in a Trio of Terror, Dave over at the Weird Kid Show channel, and Vic Springston at Monster Misfits, guys. We're doing Halloween all year long. Our projects never stop. It's always full on Halloween season for us. There is no downtime. So till I see you guys again, man, keep it evil.